What's the meaning of chastely? Chastely. Chastely.
Chastely. Chastely. Chastely refers to behaving or acting in a way that is pure, modest, and free from sexual impurity. It describes a moral standard of behavior that promotes restraint and self-control, particularly in the context of sexual activity. The word chastely is often used to describe individuals and actions that are considered virtuous in nature. The result of acting chastely is a sense of inner peace and satisfaction, as one is able to maintain a clear conscience and uphold their personal values and beliefs.